I've enjoyed my stay here at Marfa. I think a little more than I thought I would. I'm not sure this is someplace you want to come back to every year to vacation, but definitely I think I would come back. It's just a real nice, quiet place. Out in the middle of nowhere, it does have its advantages, you know? You just come out here and all there really is to enjoy is the landscape, and I think that's kind of what it's all about. It's a very small town, but they're very friendly, the food is excellent, a couple of nice hotels, so if you want to go out in the middle of nowhere, I suggest you come. The couple behind me, I think they're breaking up. They came and sat down, and then they kind of, you know, I was sitting over there, and they started having, not really an argument, but then it became clear that I think they're breaking up, or they're having like a really significant fight. And I had to get up and move because it got really awkward for me. She's crying, he's upset, heavy sighing. Awkward. The breakup couple left. A nice Manchester couple was walking by, and I stopped them and said hello. Well, I didn't know they were the Manchester couple until they stopped, but yeah, you kind of adopt, I think, the friendly attitude of people here. I've talked to more people that I just would never have done that in Dallas. First of all, nobody really wants to talk. They just want to be on their way, which, you know, is fine, I guess, to a degree. But yeah, so I'm just saying hello to everybody. It's really weird. It's kind of atypical of me. And yeah, also is atypical is me videoing out in the street like this. Well, not in the street, but you know. Hi. The Manchester couple had been here for 3 weeks in Texas. They're just doing Texas for 3 weeks. And they said Marfa by far was the nicest place they've been to in terms of the people. It's really been quite nice, even though there's just nothing but landscape to look at. It's really nice, refreshing. I keep saying that, I think, over and over again, but I think coming to places like this is good for the soul, right? It's good for something. so lovely.